Hello all, this is Rajendra Gaikwad. I'm welcoming all of you to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about two qualities, patience and consistency. These two qualities are correlated with each other. Sometime in our life we think that after putting a lot of efforts, we didn't receive anything in the return of those efforts, and that's how we gave up in our life, and that is where these two qualities help us to move ahead and continues to put efforts in order to achieve our targets. Let me put it in another way for better understanding. Take an example of bamboo tree. Farmer take the seed and plant it in his farm. He continued to water it, take care of it for 1 year. After 1 year, there is no any progress in the bamboo tree. However, that farmer believe on the bamboo tree and continues watering, taking care of it and nurturing it. After a 4 year of long period, farmer think and farmer indicate there is a small growth in the bamboo tree. And after that growth, a couple of weeks later, there is the bamboo tree shoot up to incredible height, and bamboo tree reached at the 990 feet. And now if you compare the height of bamboo tree with another tree, then the bamboo tree is reached at a high level than other trees. As well, the strength of that bamboo tree is more than the other trees. Now you can correlate this example with our life. If currently we are not getting any output in the return of those efforts, it means those efforts are going to build up, or those efforts are being used to convert your weak areas into strong areas. And once all your weak areas will become a strong areas, definitely there will be a drastical increment and you will get output of all those efforts in a short period of time. So always believe on yourself, believe on process, continues to put efforts and don't expect any output in a short period of time. Definitely you will get output, but you have to wait, you have to keep patience and constantly need to put efforts. The things will definitely fall in your favor. That's the moral of this story. Thank you very much for being with me for these videos. I'll get back to you with another video.